Hello students. In the last video you studied how to make negatives when helping verbs or special verbs are present. That is am, are, was, were, have, has, had, can, could, may, might. But how to do the negative when these helping verbs or special verbs are not present in the sentence? There is a different method to do that. In this second part, there are four types of sentences that you are going to study. That is negative statement, emphatic statement, then positive question and negative question. In this video, we'll talk about the first two, negative statement and emphatic statement. So let us see what are negative statements. Already you studied negatives means when we add no, not, never in a sentence beginning with subject, then that is called negative statement. For example, I play football, I don't play football. So making the sentence negative means negative statement. So what is the formula for that? It's very simple. You have to take the subject as it is, then based on the verb, looking at the verb, you have to use don't, doesn't or didn't. I repeat, one of these three verbs, not all the three together, either don't or doesn't or didn't. Looking at the verb, then V1 form of the verb from the sentence means you have to change the verb to its main form, and then remaining part of the sentence, what will be, whatever might be there in the sentence. Now see here, I play football. Now what is the form of this verb? It is V1 form. There is no s or es, or there is no v2 form of the verb. So for v1 form you have to take do. So subject, then for v1 form you have to use don't, then v1 form of the verb, play as it is, I don't play, and remaining part football as it is. Same sentence, I have made some change. I changed the subject from I to he. So here s will be added because subject is third person singular. So he plays football. Now you can't take don't because s is attached. So when s or es is attached, you have to use doesn't. So subject as it is, then doesn't, then v1 form play, and remaining part football. So negative statement will be he doesn't play football. Third sentence, he played football. Now what is the change here? Here verb is in V2 form, and here V1 plus S or ES. So as the verb is in V2 form, we have to use did. So subject as it is as per the formula, then didn't for V2, he didn't, then verb in the first form of played is play, so he didn't play, and remaining part football as it is, so he didn't play football. So like this you have to make negative statements when helping verbs or special verbs is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had, can, could, may, might, must, these are not present in the sentence. Similarly, when helping verbs are not there, how to make the emphatic statement? Emphatic statements means do plus v1 form. Now first understand what are emphatic statements. Emphatic statements means sentences giving force on whatever is said or told in the sentence. It's very simple. Suppose someone says to you, you don't do homework. You don't do homework. But you know that you do it. And in order to give force on your activity, sometimes you say, no, I do complete my homework. Instead of saying I complete my homework, sometimes we say I do complete my homework. Now what is that use of do before v1? It gives more force, it gives more importance to your statement. Means you say something by giving force, therefore it is called emphatic statement. Emphatic means forceful. So you go give force on your activity, at that time we use emphatic statements. Means whenever we want to give force on the activity that we do, we use this sentence. That sentence is called emphatic statement or emphatic sentence. It's very simple here, same structure, only difference is you have to remove the negation because it is not negative. Subject plus do, does, did, here also do, does, did, only difference in negative is there is not added to do, does, did, it is don't, doesn't, didn't, and here only do, does or did, v1 form as it is, remaining part as it is. So same sentences, see here, I play football, negative is I don't play football, but you have to remove the not. I, subject as it is, play, it is v1 form of the verb, so we have to use do, I do, v1 form, play as it is, verb, and remaining part football. So emphatic will be I do play football. So if someone says to you, you don't play football, then in order to give force on your statement, you can say, no, I do play football. Means you give force. Same sentence, I change the subject, he plays football. Now s is attached, so you have to use does. So subject as it is, then does, v1 form, play, he does play, remaining part football, he does play football, he played football. Now this verb is in v2 form, so for v2, did. So subject as it is, he, then for v2 form, did, then you have to use v1 form of the verb, so played becomes play, here s is removed and it becomes play, v1 form, here play. So he did play, remaining part football as it is. I hope you might have understood this. Do the homework based on it. Thank you.